Hello, everyone. We're going to have a great day today. Guess what we're going to do? We're going to describe and identify the parts of an insect. Do you know how many parts do an insect have? An insect have three parts: a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. Yes, a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. But what does that actually mean? So let's check it out. Let's see what it actually mean when we talk about an insect having a head. Let's see what we mean when we say a thorax and an abdomen. Let's see. Let's check. Now let's talk about the parts of an insect. We have a head, we have a thorax, and we have an abdomen, right? So let's try this again, but maybe let's have the insect in a different position, right? So let's see. Head, thorax, and abdomen. Head. Let's talk about the head of an insect, right? Do you see the head? An insect has a small head that is a lot like your own head because it holds the insect's brains, eyes, and mouth. Insects also have special feelers called antennas that stick out of the top of their head. They use their antennas to smell. They use their antennas to smell. They use their antennas to what? Feel. Because they do not have noses and hands like we do, right? So it's about their head. Let's talk about their thorax. Yes, their thorax, right? Let's put that together. Thorax, right below the insect's head, is a middle section called the thorax. The thorax of an insect is kind of like your chest, except insects have 6 legs that come out of their thorax. Yeah, they have 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 legs that come out of their thorax. Insects have special joints, sort of like your knees, and tiny barbs out of the ends of their toes. Many insects have 1 or 2 pair of wings attached to their thorax. Some of them do, right? Some of them have wings and some of them don't. So what about the part below an insect's thorax? What is this? The part below an insect's thorax is called the abdomen. It is the largest part of the insect's body, and it contains the stomach, just like your abdomen does. Yes, it also contains the insect's reproductive system. Insects can reproduce. They can reproduce or have babies very quickly. Most insects reproduce by laying eggs like chickens do. Only insect eggs are very, very, very tiny and have soft shells. That's the parts of an insect: head, thorax, abdomen. Now let me ask you a question, a little review. What are the antennas on the insects for? The antennas or the special feelers, they use their antennas to smell and feel, right? If you got that right, you are correct. Why don't you have antennas? Do you think we need them? Do you think we need antennas? No, we don't need them because we have noses and hands, right? Yes, we have nose, we have a nose and a hand, all right? Let me ask you a question. Why do you think an insect needs 6 legs? Why do you think they need 6 legs? An insect has 6 legs so they could crawl, right? They need to crawl. Yeah, they need to crawl. And they have special joints sort of like knees, right? But they need their legs to crawl. And what do you have so you could go? How do you think we will walk if we were an insect with 6 legs? How do you think that we will walk if we were insects with 6 legs? Well, I think we will walk really funny because how many legs do we have? We only have 2 legs, right? But I'm sure you enjoyed this. Have a great day learning the parts of a insect, which is head, thorax, abdomen.